Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. So in this video we are going to look at the chart of Hang Seng indices and how the trend has been shaped up in the days chart and how it will probably shape up in the week to come. So we are going to look at the daily as well as in the hourly chart. So we both look into the medium as well as in the short term time frame so that we can check the overall trend. And probably this is one of the region Hang Seng where it has not only suffering with health crisis but geopolitical crisis as well. So we are going to look at because these things make the trend very much volatile. But the thing is, if you look at the chart, people probably say there are lots of people. If you look at the TV channels and all those things, that things are not going to be very good. But you can't see these things on the chart. Okay, so if I look at the chart, probably I can't see these kind of things. Obviously it's a downtrending chart in the medium term time frame, but it does not look like the kind of tensions which I mean because of geopolitical tensions occurred and the identity crisis. And so somewhere down the line people have known that this is a particular country's territory and they have accepted it, and may or may not be this is the reason why it is not been showing on the indices. And probably that because of cheap liquidity which has flown all across the globe propel up the equity market. So this is the daily trend, and we can probably see that this is the support area in the daily trend. So the support range is in between 22,400 to 22,000. So this is the range 22,000 to 22,400 on the downside. So we will look into the hourly chart as well, and on the upside that's why we are looking at the daily chart. On our upside, the upper side of the range lies at around 27,000 odd levels. So this is what we can probably see in the daily chart. Let's move to the hourly chart now and how it has been shaped up. So let me just remove these things. So you can see here in hourly chart, this is probably an uptrending but flattened out in the middle kind of thing. So this is the hourly chart, and if you just let me just remove these lines so the screen will be clear. So this is the hourly chart. Probably you can see this is much more like a flat chart or a consolidated chart. So the support will come in between somewhere down the line here. So this is the support level, and if we can make an angle out of it, so what we can probably see is a flat chart rather than we will work out with an uptrending kind of thing. Let the chart speak its own language and we will see that how the trend has shaped up. So we can see that This is probably the near term resistance level at around 24,840, and once it crosses this level, the next level will be at 25,291. But we do know that we basically look at the support levels as a buying zone, because the support level will come near 23,683. 23,683. So probably this is a tall ask, because if we look at this range, this is probably at the resistance level, and it may correct in the short term. So because this is a, you can see there are multiple resistance level, so it may correct in the short term, and obviously we will look at this level rather than looking at this level unless it clear 28,840. So it looks like it has been in the correction mode. It will be in the upcoming week, and let's see how the trend has shaped up, and then we will look into it further. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and lastly, take care of your family and friends.